Namaste. I am Yogrishi Vishvketu and going to explain you today Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana have many variations, but I am going to explain here 3 variations. Bhujangasana is, Bhujang means cobra, and cobra have very strong spine. When you are doing yoga practice, your spine need to be flexible to continue flow the energy flow in your entire body. Continue to make your all 5 pranas equally divide into your whole body, working all chakras, energetic level. So alignment of your whole body, you need to have healthy, happy, flexible spine to get there. So Bhujangasana is the one of them is very nice pose. It work on physical level, it work on your back bending, which prevent back issues. It also work on your digestive system, work on your lungs. This posture also is preventing or helpful for asthma, or people have the blockage arteries and all kind of things. Work on your thyroid, parathyroid gland too. On energetic system, it work on your Muladhara chakra, it work on your 2nd chakra, it work on your 3rd chakra, Manipur, it work on your Anhat, heart center, also is work on your throat chakra. This posture especially is working on the navel and your heart, and it work on your digestion issues, work on your heart problems, any kind of physical or emotional. On pranic level, you working on your apan, ground, and prana lifting. Prana is anti-depression. Pran is very good to build your immune system. So that's the next pose we are doing. For this posture, let's laying on your belly and pointing toes back. Legs together. If you have back issues, it's better to open your legs a little bit, but intention to slowly legs together. Now palms near your last rib cage, but I am going to tell you easier variation first is preparing for the good quality cobra pose. So it's called Kafoni Bhujangasana. So you put your elbows on the ground here, pointing fingers, shoulders back. Bhujangasana Kafoni Bhu. Kafoni means your elbows, Bhu means on the ground. Pointing legs back, lift your chin. This posture also is very good for your neck, cervical issues. You can lift your heart, lift your chin. That's one variation. As you feel comfortable, press pelvis down and raise your legs up. It gets a little bit intense, but that's we are working slowly to open our spine, opening heart. From here, hold a few breathing, and then you come down. Then you bring your palms near your last rib cage. Elbows close to you. If you have shoulder issues, keep your pointing finger slightly out. Try to equal weight on your both palm. Spread fingers. Now press pelvis down. Inhale, raise your head. So your elbows slightly bent and touching your rib cage. Lift your chest, lift your chin, jaw together, eyes closed, breathe deeper. Hold for a few breathing, lifting, continue pressing pelvis down, lifting heart, and feel the breathing here. Prana is up as you inhale, lifting chest. As you exhale, pressing pelvis down. Very strong pose. Exhale, slowly come down. Next variation I am showing you, Prasarit Hast Bhujangasana, means your hands slightly open. So you keep your hands like your elbows and your wrist in one line. Open your legs or legs together. Now pressing your palms down, inhale, raise head. So in this one your elbows is straight, shoulders back, lift your chin. Pressing pelvis down, happy toes, active your thighs slightly. Lift, breathing. It's just so beautiful pose for your asthma, thyroid, parathyroid gland, neck issues, cervical. And after a few breathing, you come down. You do child pose. After that, you just come up. This posture have many benefits, and it's just beautiful pose. But if you have back issues, please take easy and listen your body first. Always listen your body first. You know more about your body than anyone. Always remember that. Namaste. See you soon.